Next one is multiplication. Next one is multiplication. 543.75 into 15. You have to multiply with this. Now how will you do? 543.75 into 15. So 5 5s are 25, 2, 35, 2, 37, 3, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 5, 18, 1, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 2, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 2, 27. Again 5 ones are 5. This one you can put 0, 7 ones are 7, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5. Now 2 5, 1 16, 1 5, 11, 1 8. So now 8 1 5 6, this is 0.25, 8 1 5 6.25. So this is how you are going to do your multiplication. Just straight away multiply and see where the dot is given. You can just put dot. But there is another way. You can just multiply the 75 into 15 and convert this paisa into rupees. So that way also you can do it. Now next one, try this. Try this. The first one is 355.50 into 7. Now what they have given us first sum is 355.50. So you have to multiply 0.50 into 7. Now 0 7s are 0, 5 7s are 35, 3, 35 plus 3 38, again 3, 35 plus 3 38, 3, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 3 24. So rupees 2488.50. 2488.50. Second sum is 960.75 into 8. You are multiplying with 8. 5 8s are 44. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 4 60. Now you are putting 6 here. 0 8s are 0. 0 plus 6 6. Now 6 8s are 48. Now 4. What is 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 4 76. So rupees 7686.00. Now next sum, third sum 66.75 into 9 into 9. Now 66.75 into 9. Now what is 5 9s are 45, 4, 7 9s are 63, 63 plus 4 67. Now here 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 6 60. Now again 6 here. What is 6 9s are? 54. 54 plus 6 60. So rupees 600.75 paisa. 75 paisa. Now next fourth sum. 212.50 into 11. Same way you have to multiply. Now what is 0 ones are 0. Now 5 ones are 5. Now what is 2 ones are 2. 1 ones are 1. 2 ones are 2. Again here I am putting it into because nothing you can do it. 0 ones are 0. 5 ones are 5. 2 ones are 2. 1 ones are, so 2 ones are 2. 1 ones are 1. Again 2 ones are 2. So now you have to add. It comes 50732. So rupees 2337. Rupees 2337.50 paise. So this is how you have to do your multiplication. Now next one we go on to statement sums in your multiplication. See now this is general multiplication you are doing it. See now next one is your statement sums. See in the statement sums the cost of 1 pen is rupees 15.50. That is 15 rupees and 50 paisa. Find the cost of 7 such pens. Now what they have given is cost of 1 pen. Always I will not tell you. You have to do statement with the statement. What is the cost of 1 pen? It is rupees 15 rupees 50 paisa. Now what is the question they have asked? Find the cost of 7 such pens. So now what you have to do is cost of 7 pence. Now how will you write cost of 7 pence? Rupees 1550 into 7. Now how will you do 1550 points into 7? 0 sevens are 0, 5 sevens are 35, 3, 35, 5 sevens are 35 plus 3, 38, 3, 1 sevens are 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So now what is the answer? Now you will write the cost, therefore the cost of 7 pence is what? Rupees 108 rupees 50 paisa. So this is how you have to do your statement sums in your multiplication. Now next one we have already done addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now next one we go on to division. Now next one is division. Division, this is just simple division you are doing it. 6834.00 divided by 12. Is it clear? 6834 divided by 12. Now what you have to do is you take this, because nothing is here paisa. Now you can just straight away you can take 6834 divided by 12. You have to divide it by 12. Now 12 3s are, now 12 5s, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. So you can have 5, 60. Now 83. Now 12 4s are, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72 and 12 7s are 84. So I think you can write 6 times. 6 times it comes to 72. Now what is 3 minus 2? 1, and here it is 114. Now 114, how many times it will go? 12 7s are, I told you, 84, 12 8s are 96, 12 9s are, I think, 108. So you can write 9 here and you can write here 108. Now what is 14 minus 8? It is 6. So the remaining is 6. Now what will you write here is, you have to write 569.50. That is, how will you convert the 6 is, now again what you can do here is, the 6 you can make it a 60, you can make it a 600, you can make it a 600 paisa, and again divide by 12. You can divide it by 12. The 6's you can convert into paisa and add 00 paisa. So when you add 00 paisa, what is it? 12 5s are 60. So again this 0 you can add it here, you can put it here. So now what is the remainder here? You are getting 50. So it is 569.50. Is it clear? 569.50. This is the answer. Right. Now next one, we have given one. Try this. 787.50 divided by 5. Is it clear? We have given 787.50 divided by 5. Now how are you going to do it? Same way you can just take this, what you call, decimal, and straight away you can put 78750 and divided by 5. Now what is it? 5 ones are 5. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. This 8 you can put it here. 5, 25. Then what is 8 minus 5? 3, 37. You can put 7 here. Right? 35. Then here 250. So I think it is 50. Now what happened here is, you are getting 15750. Now because you have taken the decimal, so the last two, this one can be decimal. So it is rupees 157.50, because 15750 you can just convert into rupees. So rupees and paisa. Now what you have to do? 15050 by 100. So now when you convert into 100, now what you will get? Rupees 157.50 paisa. Same way you have, this is try the sum. Now what for next sum? See next sum. What is next sum? 24 what is the next sum? 24.00 divided by 6. Now can you do this 24.00? Now same way what you can do, 6 you can put 24, don't put dot here. Now what is 6 4s are 24. So now how will you write here? Now how will you write the answer here? You can straight away, because your dot you are putting, so 4.00 rupees, 4 rupees. So this is the answer. So this is how you are going to do your division. Now next, third sum. Third sum, 7286.00 divided by 8. Now, because nothing is given after decimal, straight away you can write 7286 divided by 8. Now, I think 8 9s are 72, then 08. Immediately what you can put here? 8 1s are 8. Now, 0 here. Now, this 0 you can put it here. Then, what is it? 6. So 6 0, when you put here 1 0 point, you are putting 1 point here. When you put a decimal point here, now 8 7s are 56. So now what you get? 4 point, again 4.0. So what is it? 8 5s are 45. 8 5s are 40, I'm sorry, 8 5s are 40. So now what is the answer now? Rupees 910.75. 910.75. So this is how you have to do your division in your book. And there's one more sum given, 6529.50 divided by 9. Now how will you do the 6529.50 divided by 9? Same way, now what you do, just take the decimal and straight away you can put 652950 and 9. Now what is 6 9 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63. Now 5 minus 3 is what? 2. 22. Now what you can do it here? 2 times. I think 9 2s are 18. Now 4 9, because 12 minus 8 is 4. So 49. Now 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. So I think you can put your 5, 45. Now what is it? 4. 45 0. So now what you have to put again? 5 0. So it comes 450. Now what you have to do is that, because here after 49 50 you can put your decimal, that is, see this way also you can do, that is after 49 here you have taken 45, here only dot. So here you have taken, so this 0.50 you can do, or otherwise you can just straight away write like this and put 100. And what you can divide it by 100, because I told you when you are converting paisa into rupees, you can make it as rupees 725.50. This way you can do, or straight away from here you can start doing multi, because after this 45 you got 4 minus 5. So here minus 50 times. So this way you can do, or you can convert it by just removing the dots, divided by 100, and this way this answer 725.50. This is how you have to do your division. See, the next one in division, we will go on with statement problems in division. So we are finished in addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now division. See, there is a sum given in your book. An institution equally distributed rupees 26,000 to 40 persons. How much money does each person get? Is it clear now? Now what is the thing? Amount distributed. So what is the amount? Because it's a money. So always you have to start with this. Amount distributed. Now how much is the money distributed? For how many persons? It is 40 persons. Now how much it was? It is rupees 26,000. Now, what is the next line? How much money does each person get? So, now what you have to write? Amount distributed to one person, because each person means 1. Now, what you have to do? This 26,000 divided by 40. 26,000 divided by 40. Now, 26,000 40. Now, how many times it will go? 4, 5s are 200, 4 6 are 240. So this will go 2 times. 200 means 5 and again this 0, so 2000. So 650 into 40. So that means each person 650 you are getting. So now what is the answer there? We have tried. Therefore, each person or one person will get, rupees 650. So this is the answer, you have to do it.